दुसरा जो पॉइंट आहे तो म्हणजे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्केन हा आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला मी पूर्ण समजण्यासाठी मराठीमध्ये पूर्णपणे स्पष्टपणे सांगतो, त्यानंतर त्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगतो. तर सुरुवातीला अगोदर मराठी समजून घ्या, अल्केनचे वर्गीकरण कसं केलं जातं. तर आपण अल्केन म्हणजे शिकलो कालच्या तासिकेमध्ये. अल्केन म्हणजे काय? संतृप्त हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगांना आपण अल्केन असे म्हणतो. लक्षात, संतृप्त ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बनला आपण अल्केन असं म्हटलेलं आहे. कारण अल्केनमध्ये कोणता असतो? एकेरी सहसंयुबंध असतो, म्हणून त्याला आपण संतृप्त हायड्रोकार्बन म्हणतो. आणि ही संतृप्त हायड्रोकार्बन किंवा अल्केन हे सगळे कसे असतात? कमी क्रियाशील असतात, म्हणून त्याला पॅराफिन असं सुद्धा म्हटलं होतं. ह्या अल्केनचे वर्गीकरण कसं केलं जातं पहा. आपल्याला माहिती आहे अल्केन म्हणजे काय? ओपन चेन कंपाऊंड. ओपन चेन म्हणजे ज्यांचे दोन टोक जोडलेले नाहीत, अशा हायड्रोकार्बनला आपण ओपन चेन म्हटलं होतं. तर या ओपन चेन हायड्रोकार्बनचे किंवा अल्केनचे क्लासिफिकेशन कसं केलं जातं? तर मुख्यतः क्लासिफिकेशन दोन मध्ये केलं जातं. पहिलं आहे स्ट्रेट चेन अल्केन आणि दुसरं आहे ब्रँच चेन अल्केन. सरळ श्रृंखला आणि शाखा श्रृंखला. सरळ श्रृंखला कशाला म्हणतात? ज्या हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगामध्ये कार्बन कार्बनचे अणू फक्त दुसऱ्या दोन कार्बनला जोडले जातात, त्याला स्ट्रेट चेन हायड्रोकार्बन म्हणतात, अपवाद शेवटचे कार्बन सोडून. लक्षात. आणि ब्रँच चेन कोणाला म्हणायचं? ज्या हायड्रोकार्बनमध्ये कमीत कमी एखादा कार्बन ॲटम दोन पेक्षा जास्त कार्बन जोडला असतो, त्याला ब्रँच चेन म्हणतात. पुन्हा ब्रँच आपल्याला दोन्ही प्रकार पडता येतात, आयसो आणि निओ, पण ते दोन्ही ब्रँचेस आहेत. असे दोन प्रकार आपण अल्केनचे पाहिले, स्ट्रेट चेन आणि ब्रँच चेन. काय व्याख्या लक्षात ठेवायची? ज्या हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगामध्ये कार्बन अणू हे फक्त दुसऱ्या दोन कार्बनला जोडले असतात, अपवाद शेवटचा कार्बन सोडून, त्याला आपण स्ट्रेट चेन म्हणायचं. आणि ब्रँच चेन कशाला म्हणायचं? ज्या हायड्रोकार्बन संयुगामध्ये एखादा तरी कार्बन ॲटम दोन पेक्षा जास्त कार्बन जोडला असतो, त्याला आपण ब्रँच चेन म्हणतो. लक्षात. आणि त्यानंतर शेवटचा एक मुद्दा आपण पाहणार आहोत. या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये कार्बनचे किती प्रकार पडतात? प्रायमरी कार्बन, सेकंडरी कार्बन, टर्शरी कार्बन आणि क्वार्टर्नरी कार्बन. तर प्रायमरी कार्बन कशाला म्हणायचं? जो कार्बन दुसऱ्या फक्त एकाच कार्बनला जोडला असतो, त्याला प्रायमरी कार्बन म्हणायचं. लक्षात. सेकंडरी कार्बन कशाला म्हणायचं? जो कार्बन दुसऱ्या दोन कार्बनला जोडला असतो, त्याला काय म्हणतात? सेकंडरी कार्बन. आणि टर्शरी कार्बन, जो कार्बन अणू दुसऱ्या तीन कार्बनला जोडला असतो, त्याला टर्शरी कार्बन म्हणतात. आणि जो कार्बन अणू दुसऱ्या चार कार्बनला जोडला असतो, अशांना काय म्हणतो आपण? क्वार्टर्नरी कार्बन अणू. समजलं? You know that in last lecture I will teach to you the point alkane. You know the definition of alkane. What is the definition of alkane? The saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds are called alkanes, and due to presence of the single covalent bond, they are less reactive. I don't know. Is it not? The next point in this chapter is the classification of alkane. Try to understand the classification of alkane. These alkanes are mainly classified into two types. The first type of alkane class is a straight chain alkane. Straight chain, it is also called as normal chain. You know that alkene is an example of open chain hydrocarbon compound. Open chain means the chain of carbon atom in which two ends is not joined together. Such type of chain is called as the open chain. These open chain compounds are mainly classified into two types, straight chain and branch chain. Second one is the branched chain. Branched chain alkane. To try to understand the definition, first take the examples of straight chain. The example is the pentane. What is the formula of pentane? CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is the pentane. It is in which form? It is a straight line form. The chain is in straight line. Therefore, such type of straight chain generally indicated by prefix N. N means normal or all straight chain compound indicated by the prefix N. You see here on the blackboard carefully. In this N pentane, each carbon atom, second, third, fourth carbon atom attached to another two carbon atom, except ending carbon atom. Understand? In this pentane, how many carbon atom present? 5 carbon atom. Out of this 5, first first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Here, first and 5 carbon atom attached to only one carbon atom, but other middle carbon atom attached to other 2 carbon atom. Therefore, how to define the straight chain carbon atom? A straight chain alkane, the hydrocarbon compound or the alkane in which each carbon atom attached to another 2 carbon atom. You see here, this third carbon atom attached to second and fourth carbon atom attached to fifth and third. Understand? It means that each carbon atom attached to another 2 carbon atom except ending carbon atom. Such type of hydrocarbon or alkene is called as the straight chain hydrocarbon compound. It is also called as the normal alkane, and all these normal alkane is denoted by the N, prefix N before the name of, write the symbol N, that is called a prefix. N-pentane means straight chain alkane. If this same N-pentane written like this, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Count this carbon. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? It is not straight chain. Why? Because this third carbon atom attached to the how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3. The name of compound is the isopentane. Isopentane is an example of branch chain compound, branch chain alkane. Why? Because in these examples, the third carbon atom attached to more than 2 carbon atom. You see here, third carbon attached to fourth and second and fifth. Therefore, how do you define this branch chain hydrocarbon or alkane? The hydrocarbon compound in which at least 1 carbon atom attached to more than 2 carbon atom. Such type of compound called as the branch chain compound. The best example of branch chain compound is the isopentane. This same isopentane written in other pattern, CH3, 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 CH3. Here also how many carbon atom present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name of compound is neopentane. Iso and neo is an example of branch chain because in iso alkane carbon atom attached to more than 2 carbon atoms. Similarly, in case of neopentane also, the 1 carbon atom, at least 1 carbon atom attached to more than 2 means here second carbon atom attached to first, third, fourth and fifth carbon atom. It means that the neopentane also examples of branch chain. I understand the 2 definitions. First definition, what is straight chain? The hydrocarbon compound in which each carbon atom attached to another 2 carbon atom except ending carbon atom are called straight chain or normal chain. What is the branch chain? The hydrocarbon compound in which at least 1 carbon atom attached to more than 2 carbon atom are called branch chain. Branch chain indicated by iso, prefix iso or neo. Where is the use the iso prefix? Whenever the 1 carbon atom attached to another 3 carbon atom are use the iso. If the 1 carbon atom attached to other 4 carbon atom, then use the prefix neo. In these examples, carbons is again divided in how many types? 4 types. Next point is the types of carbon atom in the molecules. Types of carbon atom. Types of carbon atom in the molecule. This is the next point. The first type is the primary carbon atom. It is indicated by this such type. This symbol. This symbol means primary. Second one, secondary carbon atom. It is indicated by the symbol like this. Third one, tertiary carbon atom. It is indicated by the symbol. And fourth one is the quaternary carbon atom. It is indicated by like this. How do you define primary carbon atom? How do you identify the primary carbon atom? What is the definition of primary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to other only one carbon atom. जो कार्बन दुसऱ्या एकालाच जोडलेला असतो त्याला प्रायमरी म्हणायचं. You see here in this example, here first and third in N-pentane, first and 5, only this ending two carbon atom attached to other two carbon. Therefore, in the N-pentane, first and 5 carbon is a primary. You understand? हा पहिला आणि पाचवा दुसऱ्या एकाला जोडलेला म्हणून हा पहिला आणि पाचवा कोणता कार्बन आहे? In case of N-pentane, in N-pentane, first carbon C1 and C5 is an example of primary carbon atom. In the N-pentane, which is the secondary, carbon second, third, fourth is an example of secondary carbon atom because it is attached to other two carbon atom. Therefore, how to define secondary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to another two carbon atoms called a secondary. In case of N-pentane, which is the example of secondary, carbon C2, C3, C4 is an example of secondary carbon atom. What is the tertiary? The hydrocarbon compound in which one carbon atom attached to other three carbon atoms. Such type of compound called tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom not present in the N-pentane. Therefore, see here in isopentane, this third carbon atom C3 is attached to, in case of isopentane, take the example isopentane, which is the third carbon atom. C3 is the which carbon atom? Tertiary carbon atom, because this third carbon atom attached to other three carbon atom. How do you define tertiary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to other three carbon atom are called tertiary carbon atom. You remember one important point. If the carbon atom is attached to more than two carbon atom, then such type of carbon is indicated by the strike. Here, third carbon atom is attached to more than two, therefore it is indicated by strike. And here also, second carbon atom attached to more than two carbon, therefore it is also indicated by the strike. Strike means the carbon atom attached to more than two carbon atoms. In case of neopentane, the carbon C2 is an example of quaternary carbon atom. Why? Because the carbon atom which attached to more than three carbon atom, attached to four carbon atom are called quaternary carbon atom. You remember, it's a very important point. Question may be asked. One example is given like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Such type of example is given. Identify the primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atom in the examples. Then identify the primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atom on the basis of the definitions. I understand? Question will be asked in the examinations. What are alkanes? How are they classified or defined? Primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom, quaternary carbon atom. Such type of question will be asked in the state board examination, and in the NEET or in the CET. Such type of question will be asked: which is the primary carbon atom, which is the secondary carbon atom, which is the quaternary carbon atom. Such type of question may be asked in the competitive examinations. Thank you.